So after you've watched all the tutorials on how to use Adobe Illustrator and actually create images, so far all the tutorials, there will be a few more, just a few to show you how to actually make the overall template. Now that you know how to use Illustrator, I just have to show you a little bit on how to use the template. But for now, you need to move on to actually choosing your drink. So you have a choice of a flavored milk drink called Bessie, a flavored coconut water drink called Barley High, a flavored juice drink called Fruju, an iced coffee drink called Carpe Diem, iced tea drink Tranquility, and sports drink called Zing. Now you choose one of those, and this is a little bit about each of them. You need to read that and read it very carefully because it's going to give you ideas, or it should give you ideas on what colors and textures to use, because it's for different types of people. So Bessie is aimed at children, for example. Carpe Diem is not aimed at children. It's a drink for adults, essentially. Okay, so read that carefully. Once you've read that and you've made your decision, type out and answer these questions, because this again is like a brainstorming activity. This is going to be part of your folio, so please don't forget to do it. Once you've done that, you're going to do some research. So you're going to get 10 images. Remember, photos only of flavors. So if you've chosen any of these, what flavor is it? So even if it's milk, it can't just be plain milk. Is it strawberry milk? Is it blueberry? What flavor? Barley High is coconut water, but what flavor is with it? It can't just be coconut water plain. It might be tropical. Carpe Diem, coffee. What kind of coffee? Is it latte? Is it cappuccino? Is it strong? Is it black? Is it almond milk? Is it cow milk? What are some flavors associated with that? And the same thing with sports drinks. Sports drinks can be things like electricity or power shot. They don't necessarily have flavors that are actually fruits, but they can. Sometimes it's an effect or an action that is the flavor for a sports drink. And that's what you've written down here as well. So 10 photos of flavors, fruits, effects, or locations. So location means, like, if you've done Barley High, you might be like, oh, I want it to be like maybe Hawaii or a beach setting. And then 5 images of drinks that already exist in the same category. So if you've chosen a sports drink, what are 5 sports drinks that are out there? And get a picture of those and add that to your research. 5 images of cartoons you might like to copy. So you can actually look up 5 cartoons. So if you've got an idea for an apple or a banana or a palm tree, 5, you can get some cartoons that you're not going to use, but you might get inspiration on how to actually make it in Illustrator. So there'll be 20 images all up. So that's the first part, the research, the brainstorming up here, and the research of this task. Please complete this before doing any designing of your final template, final juice package design.